Congratulations on becoming an exclusive partner with Leading Edge Displays. Each of our partners received their very own co-branded LED website. This site will be used as an information source when you're selling LED signage to your clients. In today's dealer orientation webinar, we will cover the following aspects of your new dealer website, such as general navigation of the site, location of various sales tools, product specification, and locations of important contact information. Now that you've logged into your dealer co-branded website, you'll notice in the center of the page the 3 LED display products you'll be offering to your clients: the high-definition Apex 251, the full-color Ad Pro 5000, and the monochrome Athelion 4056. You can scroll down to view the sign specifications and components of each LED display. This is where you can view specifications such as the maximum viewing angle, the voltage levels, and the scan refresh rate. In later tutorials, we'll go over our LED display product line in greater detail. Now, let's begin to explore the various navigation tabs located throughout your co-branded website, starting with the Dealer Information tab. Here, you'll find a list of everyone in your company that's included in the transactions of the LED display, from the company owner to the head installer. This highly valuable information is used by your manufacturer representative throughout each LED project, allowing for a clearer venue of communication from the initial phase of the sale to the final installation. The next tab we'll be reviewing is the Manufacturer Information tab. Here you'll find the actual addresses of our manufacturing plant, as well as our manufacturer sales rep office. You'll also find the relevant contact information for the Dealer Partnership Director, as well as your manufacturer rep. This contact information is an important resource to have when communicating with us throughout each LED project. Moving on to the next tab, we're going to review the Client Registry tab. This is a very important tab. Each sales representative will be responsible for updating their project in this particular section. The goal of this section is to have a central location where the sales representative and the manufacturer representative can work together on each LED transaction. Everyone involved will have visibility of the status of each project. This is an extremely helpful tool when dealing with LED transactions that take months to complete. Your manufacturer rep will go over this section in greater detail with each and every one of your sales representatives. Next to the Client Registry tab, we have the navigational tab entitled Training Webinars. This tab will have various training webinars and videos each week so that you and your sales representatives are brought up to speed on every aspect of our LED product line and sales operation. The topics will include product knowledge, competitor comparison training, client site evaluation, advantages of leasing, and explaining on-site marketing. We'll host a Q&A forum following each weekly webinar to facilitate any questions that you may currently have. If you can't make a scheduled weekly webinar, this is where you'll find all the past transcripts of each webinar we have conducted. The last navigational tab in this top section is the Events tab. This is actually a dynamic calendar where sales representatives can review different training webinar schedules as well as plan different upcoming meetings with their prospective clients. This tab will be used by the sales rep and the manufacturer rep together to review the status of each LED transaction as well as any event that is related to each project. Now we're going to review the locations of the various selling tools located on the left side of your dealer co-branded website. The first tab is the Calculator tab. All of our LED displays are modular-based units comprised of 19-inch tall by 19-inch wide square interlocking panels. This calculator tab is an extremely important tool to utilize when quoting customers, as well as determining the exact dimensions and total number of LED lights for each given display. Simply change the number of panels high and the number of panels wide, and the display specification calculator will calculate these specifications automatically. You'll see a graphical representation of the exact number of panels that's included in your LED display based on your client's desired size dimensions. You can also determine the exact physical cabinet size as well as the actual viewing area for your prospective clients. Each sales representative will use this calculator tab extensively throughout the LED sale. The next tool we're going to review under the Sign Components category is the Construction tab. This tab is actually a video that gives a graphical representation of how our modular-based interlocking panels work during the construction phase of our LED signs. These 19-inch by 19-inch self-contained panels are housed within a rust-free aluminum cabinet frame that's designed for stability and support in harsh weather conditions. This video will actually depict how the panels are affixed to the cabinet of the sign. The next tab that we'll review is the Expandability tab. This shows your client the dimensional versatility of having a modular-based LED display. For example, a customer can start with a 4-paneled LED sign and then upgrade to another row of panels if he or she so desires. The same can be said for customers that want to start out with a less expensive monochrome one-color LED display. The customer can always upgrade to a full-color, high-definition, or even a bigger-sized sign altogether simply by replacing the appropriate panels with full-colored panels or increasing the cabinet size to house more panels. We will always credit their purchase of their initial LED sign toward the new upgrade so that they'll not be charged twice for a full-color or size upgrade. This is a key selling point when competing with other manufacturers in the LED market. Below the Expandability tab, you'll find the Software tab. This tab is actually a video that provides a brief outline of our content creator software. This software, which was created in-house, is downloaded onto the laptop that every customer receives when they purchase an LED display through us. The laptop is wirelessly controlled up to 2 miles away and can be remotely accessed at any time by our IT specialist from our manufacturing sales office in Houston, Texas. Here, he can help provide a step-by-step tutorial of how the software works, as well as create the initial marketing campaign video for your new LED display. The next tab to review is the Support tab. All of our displays come with a 5-year warranty on all parts and LEDs, as well as a lifetime warranty on all web-based tech support. This constant technical support is a key attribute when comparing our company's warranties with those of our competitors. By the way, there's a downloadable user manual in the event that your client desires a paper version of the manual. To the left of our product line picture, you'll see the Sign Examples category. Here you will find videos of some of the various projects that we have completed. For example, if you click on the Lone Star Motors tab, you'll see a video of one of our 3.5 feet by 8.3 feet AdPro 5000 full-color displays. You'll notice how some of the video shots are taken directly behind the sun so that you can see how our LED displays measure up in the daytime. Remember, any LED display can look great in the evening. How it looks in direct sunlight, where images can be distorted, is the true test. Under the last Sign Example video, you'll notice a tab that's entitled What You Receive. Here, you'll find a co-branded information pamphlet summarizing all the components that you receive when you purchase an LED display from us. Components such as cabinet construction, warranties, software support, and details of your dedicated wireless laptop are all briefly summarized in this pamphlet. You'll have your company's name and logo at the top of this pamphlet with the phrase "Authorized Dealer for Leading Edge Displays" on the right side. This assures your customer that you have a direct partnership with us, the manufacturer. This is a great informational leaflet to provide to clients who are interested in purchasing an LED display. Moving over to the right side of the website, you'll see a few tools that you can utilize throughout the process of selling your LED display. The tab, Sign Spec Sheets, is a co-branded PDF file that you can send to potential clients. Each sheet is predetermined by the LED display size, so that your customer can easily view cabinet and actual viewing area dimensions, as well as the number of LEDs that are included in the face of the display. You'll see the tab entitled Finance Application, which is the application that your client can fill out if he or she is interested in leasing their LED display. The Go to Meeting and the TechSmith tab links will be described later in greater detail. This concludes this dealer orientation webinar video. Feel free to contact a dealer partnership director or your manufacturer rep if you have any further questions.